Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can take video screenshots on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to take a screenshot of like this right here. Select your video where you want to screenshot it from. Like the duration, I guess, and then select these three lines, select export still frame, and type whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine a screenshot. You can also change the format here to JPEG, and you can also select the resolution. I'm just going to then select import it to project, and it's going to take a screenshot of that. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!